orbitals and polyatomics. So don't everybody speak at once. Let's do it. Yeah, potassium nitrate. This is what? Ammonium. Ammonium phosphate. Calcium chlorate. Remember, if it was a chlorite, that number would have been a 2. If it was a hypochlorite, that number would have been a 1. All right. Okay, what have we got here? Aluminum what? Aluminum, now what? Nitrite. And this one is potassium chlorate. Wonderful. All right, what else we got here? We got sodium sulfite. And then this is potassium phosphate. And here we go. Magnesium perchlorate. All right. Well, that's kind of neat. What have I done? How's that? Is that good? What's the psi? Did you psi? No. I'm just playing. Calcium? I would psi too. Because this is boring, right? Huh?
Shouldn't it be pernitrate?
No, there is no pernitrate. The nitrate is an NO3 with a -1, and the calcium has a +2. This is magnesium chlorite. And this is aluminum hypochlorite. Right, low oxygen, low. And that will round out that series. Wait, I'm sorry, calm down. No problem. Are we good? Yes? Yes. All right. Back page lithium listen to this old-timey sulfite. That is an acceptable name. It's an older name. Now, I prefer lithium hydrogen sulfite. It doesn't matter. I go both ways. All right. Lithium hydrogen sulfite's a little bit more contemporary than the bisulfite, but it's the same thing. And that just implies that there's a hydrogen there, right? A hydrogen sulfide ion. Because we know that SO3 2- is called sulfite. We know that HSO3 -1 is called hydrogen sulfite, or alternatively bisulfite. And then, of course, H2SO3 is called what? Sulfurous acid. All right. So you got no hydrogens, 1 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens in the series there. All right. Now the other one is called sodium, as she puts, bicarbonate. S. All right. And magnesium bicarbonate. Now remember, you can go sodium hydrogen carbonate, which of course is the baking soda, or you can say magnesium hydrogen carbonate as well. Now the next part here that we will spend the rest of the class on, I imagine, is how your test will look. A string of names and a string of abbreviations, chemical formulas, and you provide the missing length. All rules are mixed together here. You see, up to now it's been nifty-difty because they've grouped them. They said, okay, well, this is a metal and a non-metal. Here's 5 examples to see it's on your mind. Now everything is together. All right, so I'm going to go through these, and zinc sulfide, iron 2 sulfate, magnesium sulfite, magnesium phosphate, and hydrogen sulfide. Let me stop, and we'll see if anybody's got any questions or comments about how that works out. And where you really should be is just like, I mean, I'm going to pick on her, right? I guess as a compliment, I'm going to do that. Just like her, right? She's got almost everything done, and then there's 1 or 2 times she got a question. All right, that's where we should be, right? All right, so that's what we got there. And what about the next side there? That's called what? Lithium. Lithium chloride, phosphoric acid, boron trichloride. Why? Because, see, we got 2 nonmetals there. All right. So things are a little bit different. And now, to me, that's extremely blurry, but I have no contacts and no glasses. Can you see that? I can't read that over there. I have to take some minute to get zeroed in. This is iron 3 chloride, or alternatively you could call that ferric if you wanted to, but not just iron chloride, because see, iron's multivalent. It's got more than 1 possible oxidation state. And this one here is barium carbonate. All right. Yes, sir. No, no partial credit given. It's either right or wrong. All right. And there'll be about 12, I haven't made it up yet, but there'll be about 12 formulas and about 12 names for 24 total points, right? Because it's supposed to be around 25. And then 1 point apiece. So there's a lot of them on there, which means if you screw up 1 or 2, I mean, it's not tremendous, right? It's not like I'm making you name 3 worth 10 points apiece or something. That would be quite traumatic. All right. So no, I'm not going to give partial credit on a 1 point thing. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, here's that. Last page. I'm excited. Woohoo. Silver nitrite. AG? No. Yes. It's confusing. I have before wrote AgNO3 because nitrates are far more common than nitrites. You know, like if you were a chemist that did it for a few years, you're going to use nitrates a hell of a lot more than nitrites. Now, nitrites, you can buy them. They're just not as common. Barium sulfate. Potassium oxide. All right, so where have we saw that, right? On the Kellogg's water, K2O water. See, they've registered trademarks that there. The Kellogg stands, the K stands for Kellogg's, and of course, really it stands for potassium. Aluminum nitrate. Okay, and 10,4 iodide. Wonderful, wonderful. Now let's try this side over here a bit. 2 nonmetals, iodine. Nope. Mono chloride, right? All right, and the reason you put the mono in there is there's 2 nonmetals there. This one is carbon, tetrachloride, silver,